Today I shall start exercise 3.6. Listen the question. Solve the following pairs of linear equations by reducing them into pair of linear equations. Now question. 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equal to 2 and another 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equal to 13 by 6. Now let 1 by x equal to a and 1 by y equal to b. So equation will be a by 2 plus b by 3 equal to 2. Now take LCM, which will be 6 here. And 2 3 is 6, so 3a, and here 3 2 is 6, so 2b equal to 2. Now 3a plus 2b equal to 6 2 is 12. This is equation number 1. And another equation, again a by 3 plus b by 2 equal to 13 by 6. Now again take LCM, and 3 2 is 6, so 2a, and 2 3 is 6, so 3b equal to 13 by 6. Now 6 cancel, so what remains? 2a plus 3b equal to 13. This is equation number 2. Now you write down the two equations. Here coefficients of a or coefficients of b have to make equal. So I have multiplying equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. Now what's the question? 9a plus 6b equal to 36 and this 4a plus 6b equal to 26. Now plus 6b minus 6b, you change the signs because I am doing subtracting. It cancel. So 9 minus 4 5a and 36 minus 26 10. So a equal to 2. Now you put the values of a, which is 1 by x, because I have taken 1 by x equal to a. So 1 by x equal to 2, so x equal to 1 by 2. Now putting the value of a in equation 1 is 3a plus 2b equal to 12. So in place of a you write 2, 3 into 2 plus 2b equal to 12. So 2b equal to 12 minus 6, 6. So b equal to 3. Now put the value of b. 1 by y equal to 3, so y equal to 1 by 3. So x equal to half and y equal to 1/3. Okay. Now proceed next question. 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equal to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equal to minus 1. Let 1 by root x equal to a and 1 by root y equal to b. So this will be 2a plus 3b equal to 2 and 4a minus 9b equal to minus 1. To make this coefficient of b equal, you have to multiply the equation 1 by 3 and this is by 1. So I have written here multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 1. So after multiplication you will get 6a plus 9b equal to 6 and 4a minus 9b equal to minus 1. Here 1 is plus, other is minus. So by adding it is cancelling. Now 6 plus 4 10a and 6 minus 1 5. So a equal to 5 by 10, that is half. Now you put the value of a. 1 by root x equal to 1 by 2. Here 1 cancel, so root x equal to 2. So when we remove root, you will put square. Okay, you understand? When we remove root, we put here square. So x equal to 2 square, that is 4. Again, now putting the value of a in equation 1, 2a plus 3b equal to 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3b equal to 2. So 2 cancel, 1 plus 3b equal to 2. So 3b equal to 2 minus 1 1 and b equal to 1 by 3. Now put the value of b. 1 by root y equal to 1 by 3. 1 cancel. So root y equal to 3 and y equal to 3 square, that is 9. So x equal to 4 and y equal to 9. Okay. Now Next question. 4 by x plus 3y equal to 14 and another is 3 by x minus 4y equal to 23. Now at first I have written the equation 1. Okay, now take LCM x. So 4 plus 3xy equal to 14. So 4 plus 3xy equal to 14 into x, 14x. This is equation number 1. Again 3 by x minus 4y equal to 23. Take LCM x. So 3 minus 4xy equal to 23 and 3 minus 4xy equal to 23x. Now we have got two equations and now here is plus sign, here is minus sign. So I want to cancel them. So equation 1 should be multiplied by 4, that is 4 3s are 12, and equation 2 is multiplied by 3, that will be 3 4s are 12. So now 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12xy, 14 into 4 56x. By multiplying 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 23 into 3 69x. Now this has cancelled. By adding we will get 25 and by adding we will get 125x. So x equal to 25 by 125, that is 1 by 5. Putting x in equation 1. 4 plus 3xy equal to 14x. So 4 plus 3 into, in place of x you write 1 by 5 into y equal to 14 into 1 by 5. Then by calculation 4 plus 3y equal to 14 by 5. So 3y by 5 equal to 14 by 5 minus 4. You write here 1 for easy. 5 and 1 LCM 5. So 14 minus 20. 4 5s are 20. So 3y by 5 equal to minus 6 by 5. Minus 5 cancel. So 3y equal to minus 6 and y equal to minus 2. Okay. Now x equal to 1 by 5 and y equal to minus 2. These are the answer. Now we go to the next question. 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equal to 2 and 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 equal to 1. Let 1 by x minus 1 equal to a and 1 by y minus 2 equal to b. So equations becomes 5a plus b equal to 2 and 6a minus 3b equal to 1. To make the coefficient of b equal, the equation 1 must be multiplied by 3 and equation 2 by 1. So 3 5s are, I have written here, multiplying equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 1. Now watch. After multiplying we get 15a plus 3b equal to 6 and 6a minus 3b equal to 1. Plus minus cancel. So 15 plus 6 21 and 6 plus 1 7. Now a equal to 7 by 21, that is 1 by 3. Now put the values of a. 1 by x minus 1 equal to 1 by 3. 1 cancel. So x minus 1 equal to 3 and x equal to 3 plus 1 4. Now putting the value of a in equation 1. At first you write the equation 1. 5a plus b equal to 2 and in place of a you write the value of a which is 1 by 3. 5 into 1 by 3 plus b equal to 2. So b equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. LCM is 3. So 6 minus 5, that is 1 by 3. Now put the values of b. 1 by y minus 2 equal to 1 by 3. 1 cancel. So y minus 2 equal to 3 and y equal to 5. So x equal to 4 and y equal to 5. Okay.